Hey everyone, this is Juno with Detour Shirts. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 different types of RedBubble sellers and what they should do to get sales. Let's go! Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on this video. This video we're going to talk about the 5 types of sellers on RedBubble and what to do if you're one of those types of sellers. But before we start, my name is Juna. I'm a t-shirt designer, graphic designer. I design and sell t-shirts online. If that's something you like to do, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about helping you design and sell t-shirts online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified of my new videos. And if this video gives you some value, make sure to give it a thumbs up and like it. And you're going to want to stay until the end so that you can see all the types of sellers, as well as a new edition of trend credits. And I'm also doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so you want to stay tuned for that. Alright, so let's get into this. The 5 types of sellers on RedBubble. So as I've been looking at different shops to review them, I've noticed trends on there's certain types of people, certain types of sellers on RedBubble. And I noticed I could break them down into 5 different types of sellers. So that's how I came up with this, by looking at all the different shops out there reviewing RedBubble shops. Now, I'm not going to talk about all the different types of sellers. I'm not going to talk about the superstar, the one that's doing really well on RedBubble, the one that knows what they're doing. They're getting lots of sales. I'm going to talk about the other sellers that may not be getting sales. So those that actually need help. This superstar here, he's on RedBubble. He's making lots of sales and does really well, and he knows what he's doing. He doesn't need my help. So let's talk about some of the other ones. So here are the 5 types that I'm going to be talking about today. First, we have the dabbler. Then we have the over-anxious person. Then we have the trend chaser, the fine artist, and the pod hopper, P-O-D, capital P-O-D, for print-on-demand hopper. So let's talk about each one individually, see if any of these relate to you, and hopefully my helpful tips will help you if you're one of these sellers. So first off, the dabbler. So the dabbler is the person that, this person's got 20 designs up, but he's been on RedBubble for 2 years or more, and his designs are okay, but he's not getting any sales. And he's wondering, why isn't he getting any sales? Well, here's the reason. He's only got 20 designs up. He hasn't even put a lot of effort into it, and these designs are probably 2 years old. He probably put 20 designs up 2 years ago and still thinks that he's going to get sales for them. That's not how RedBubble works. So what my suggestion is to this person who just wants to, put a little bit here in RedBubble and see if it works. My suggestion is he needs to add, or he or she, the dabbler, needs to add more designs. And they need to be more consistent with their uploads. Now, this is the way to learn what sells on RedBubble. You can't just put 20 designs up and hope and pray that somebody's going to buy your 20 designs or one of your 20 designs. You need to put a lot more designs up. I suggest putting at least 100 on there and be consistent. Upload every week, then you'll get more sales. So that is my suggestion for the dabbler. Add more designs, be consistent with designs, and learn what sells on RedBubble so that you can add more designs that sell. Don't just wait. The next person is the over-anxious. The over-anxious person uploaded 300 plus designs on RedBubble, but they only just joined last month, and their designs look super rushed. Like they just put up lots of text designs or lots of easy designs that they can make really quickly, and they have no sales. They're anxious to get the sales from RedBubble, but they also just joined last month. And so they think that by just rushing and putting hundreds of designs on RedBubble that they're just going to get some sales really quick. Well, guess what? That's not how RedBubble works either. So this is my suggestion for the over-anxious. What they should do is actually focus on some good design instead of putting up so many designs, and then be patient. RedBubble, you probably won't see any sales for 1 to 2 to 3 months. Even with good designs, even with trending designs, you may have to wait a few weeks or more before getting a sale. So don't be over anxious and put so many designs up at RedBubble. Be patient and focus on good designs. It's not about putting lots and lots of designs. It's putting up lots and lots of designs that are good that people want to buy. So don't forget about that part. So that's for the over anxious. If this is you, then make sure to follow these rules. So the next one, the trend chaser. So this is the person who got about 100 plus designs, but they're all for different trends, hoping that one day that they'll get a sale from getting trends, but the designs are super rushed. So they just want to, like, here's the trend, I'm going to make a design. Here's a trend, I'm going to make a design, and they have no sales. Now, what do I suggest for this person? This is what they should do. They should create better trend designs. Don't rush and try and make really quick designs for the trends. Trends are good, but you have to be competitive with the trends. Like, you can't just put up a design for a trend and expect a sale. Your design has to be better than the competition, or at least as good. So when people see yours against the other ones, they will pick yours. So it's not just about designing for trends. They need to be better trends. And expand your portfolio. So for the trend chaser, this is the chance to expand your portfolio. RedBubble has a different audience than some of the other POD sites. So make sure to make your artwork really nice, as good as you can, so that it looks good for the audience on RedBubble. So that's my advice for the trend chaser. The next is the fine artist. So this is the person that has about 100 plus designs and their artwork is amazing. It's great. It looks like it should be on magazines or on walls in the museum or things like that. They get very low visits to their shop though, and they don't have any sales, and they're wondering why. So here's my advice for this person. What they should do is they need followers, or they need people to see their artwork. It's really good, but nobody's actually seeing it. So what they need is to get the word out. And this is one reason why I say to go after trends, because trends, if people are looking for trends, they will see your design in the trends. But you don't only have to go after trends. You can use ads, or you could build a following on social media, like on Instagram or on YouTube or anywhere. Build your following, get the eyeballs on your art. I think the thing that the fine artist needs is more people looking at their things, because their artwork is great. They just don't have people following them or people knowing about them. So just get the word out, tell your friends, go on social media, do as much as you can to let people know that your art is out there and for sale on RedBubble. The next person, and this is the one I relate to the most, is the pod hopper, the POD, print on demand hopper. This person's got 1,000 plus designs. The designs are scaled, which means they're using some of the same designs with different words in them, and they have a little bit of everything, and they have very low sales. So my advice for the pod hopper is this. They should look at the data on what they're selling on RedBubble and design specifically for RedBubble. So every print-on-demand shop is different. RedBubble is different than TeePublic, and different than Merch by Amazon, which is different from Zazzle and Spreadshirt. So get to know what sells on RedBubble, and don't just think that everything you have on one POD site will work on another POD site. They could, and that's a quick way to do it, and then that's a quick way to automate it. But if you actually want to get more sales on RedBubble, you have to look down and see what's selling on RedBubble and optimize for the RedBubble audience. That is it for the 5 types of sellers on RedBubble. Which one are you? Are you the dabbler, the over anxious, the trend chaser, the fine artist, or the POD hopper like I am? Leave a comment below on which one you think you are. So I hope you like those 5 types of sellers. I thought that was really fun and interesting after looking at RedBubble shops. And speaking of RedBubble shops, I want to do a giveaway for my shop. So this is my shop here, my detour shirts. You may have seen it in some other videos. RedBubble reached out to me and wanted to help me out and help me give away things from my shop to promote my shop, and so I thought I would do a giveaway for you guys. So the giveaway is for about $50 worth of stuff on my shop. So you could do a combo of things, maybe get a bunch of stickers, maybe get a pillow, a t-shirt. I will buy it for you and then send it to you if you are the winner. So here are the rules. All you need to do is leave a comment on the video on what you would like from my store. I will select one person at random to be the winner, and the winner will let me know what they want from my store, up to $50 worth of products, and I will send it to you. You can use it as a Christmas gift, you can use it for friends, you can use it for whatever you want. So that is it. That's the giveaway. I'm going to pick one winner in the comments. Just leave a comment in the video on which products you would like to win under $50 from my shop. This contest is absolutely free. There's no purchase necessary. And I'll make sure to put these rules in my description as well, so you don't forget. And a link, of course, a link to my shop there as well, so you can see how to get there. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and staying all the way till the end. And now another edition of Trend Credits. All right, here is your trend credit for today. This is science like magic, but real. So you can see here, look at the BSRs. They're kind of low here. 53,000, 47, 470,000, 270,000. So many different ways you can do this. Unicorns, protons. Do your own take on this. Of course, don't copy anybody here. You want to do your own take on it. Let's check the competition checker and Merch Informer. It's getting an A, so you know it's good there. Again, science like magic, but real. That's your trend credit for today. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if this video gave you value, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and click that notification bell so that you can be notified of when my next video is. And don't forget about the giveaway. Go look what you want and on my store on RedBubble and leave a comment on what you would like to get that's up to $50 and I'll pick a winner. So thanks again for watching, and as always guys, keep creating and keep learning. See you on the next one. Bye.